students. In your second chapter, this number work. In this chapter, today we are going to study here this page number 11 open. In this page number 11, see this exercise. First one, read the numbers, write them in figure. This one completed. Second one, read the numbers, write them in word. This also completed. Right, next one question. Using each of the digits. Question right. Using each of the digits digits given here 9, 5, 6, 1, 8. Only once write 6 5-digit numbers. Write 6 5-digit numbers. 5-digit numbers. Here digits given 9, 5, 6, 1, 8. By using this digit, you write here 6 5-digit numbers. Then write firstly here number 9, 5, 6, 1, 8 means 95,618. This 5-digit number. Then second one write again by using this digit 56,918. Then third one 69,185. Fourth one 81,956. Only by using these digits you make here only 5-digit numbers. Then fifth one 51,986. See, in all numbers only this digit 95618, 95618, 95618, 95618, 95618. Then next one question. Write the biggest number that can using the digits. Write the biggest number that can using the digits which digits 1, 5, 6, 4, 7. You write here biggest number by using these digits 1, 5, 6, 4, 7. Then you write here biggest number means in this digit which number? Biggest here 6, 5, first we write here 7, 6, 5, 4, 1. 76,541. This biggest number. Then next one question write two numbers. Write two numbers. Write two numbers by writing the digits. By writing the digits in the ascending and descending order. In the ascending and descending order. Ascending and descending order. You make here by using these digits. Which digits here? Writing these two numbers by writing the digits in the ascending and descending order. Which digits here? 4, 3, 9, 8, 7. 4, 3, 9, 8, 7. By using these digits 4, 3, 9, 8, 7. By using these digits you make here two numbers and write these numbers in ascending and descending order. Firstly you make here two numbers. Which numbers here? Firstly write here 9, 8, 7, 3, 4. Suppose this number Then second one write 87439. 87439. Otherwise you directly write here. This is ascending order, means ascending order means these numbers write in biggest to smallest one. Then first you write here 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, this number. Again one number you write here, suppose 4, 3, 8, 7, 9. Okay. Then in descending order, these numbers write in descending order. First you write this biggest number 4, 3, 8, 7, 9 and 3, 4, 7, 8, 9. Then again one question is here. Keeping 7 in the units place, use all the digits and to make the 5 numbers and write the numbers. Write next one question. Write next one question. Keeping 7 in the units place, 7 in the units place, use all the digits, which digits given here? 60754. To make 5 numbers, read the numbers means these numbers you write in words. Read the numbers. Here digits given 6, 0, 7, 5, 4. By using these digits you make here these 5 numbers, which one 7 in the units place. Then write first one 7 in the units place means write here 6, 0, 5, 4, 7. See here 7 in the unit place. Then second one write 5, 4, 0, 6, 7. And in front of these numbers you write this number in words. Means here 60,547. Then you write in words 60,547 in this type. Then next one right here, suppose 65407. Then fourth one 56047. See here 7 in units place. Again one number right here. Fifth one. And all these numbers write in words. Then fifth one 45607. Write these 5 numbers by using these digits, and all these numbers write in words. Okay. Bye. Then this remaining part tomorrow. In homework you complete this all class work, and these answers also write in words.